This is Junior. Hey, Junior. That's Jesse. That guy, I'm not sure. This is, I think, Lulu. No, this is. What's your name, you fat? Ike. Ike weighs 18 pounds. Hey, Ike. I'm not sure. Oh, it says his name. Inspector, maybe. Inspector Gadget. You're Inspector Gadget.
Lulu.
Inspector Gadget. Oh, here comes Lulu. That's a female. We kind of want it for Costello
Lulu.
to play with.
No.
Hi, Junior. Hi, Junior. And over there, Grumpy, 17-pounder, boxing champ, heavyweight. And thirsty guy over there hasn't come to see us yet. Oh, you're so cute. That's sexy. Yeah, we're gonna get all of them, and they're all gonna live in my attic. The end.